All right, here we are in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia with Coral Ye Chen. We're going to do a little studio tour, show you some of her work. Here we go.
Hello, yeah.
Hello, Coral.
Yes.
Thank you for letting us check out your studio here.
Yeah.
Why don't you show us some of your work and talk about how you make your paintings?
Sure. That's just my studio. Normally, my students will be stay this table. So recently, I did a lot. Then I used the Rockwell's color. That's just one color, lapsy color.
Yeah, very granulating, eh?
Yeah. So I quite like this. Just one color can do the whole painting. Yeah, that's the other painting from our Riverview Hospital, which already closed for 10 years. Yeah. This I do all kinds of subjects, so including the landscape, flower, and the portrait. Nearby our house is a Coquitlam River. I enjoyed this a lot, almost like a daily take a walk, just like this painting. This actually is my son. So we just take a walk in that river trail. That's also like people's backyard have a kayak. And the Coquitlam River. I did a lot of Coquitlam River. And this Coquitlam River as well, Coquitlam River. Yeah, so those are nearby. These are Fort Langley. These are the Rocky Point Park. It's all nearby. Fort Langley. I love that small town. If you have time, you can check out that. Yeah. So these are the last time portrait. Yeah, and the flower, all the subjects I love. I want to flip over a little bit with Stevenson and this is St. John, one flower. So that's recently painting for our autumn.
Autumn colors, yes.
Right. And this is,
that's right by the gallery.
Yeah. Oh, you checked this gallery?
We went there, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Five Cafe and the Coquitlam. Yeah. And then autumn flowers. Yeah, I did a lot. That's all River Spring. Yeah, I did a lot of things. Just yeah. What else? I can talk. Oh, that's for a while. I think before I did this one. That's the portrait. Yeah. Portrait is interesting. I love to like concentrate the people have a spirit, right? So portrait is really. But I enjoy the flowers as well. Yeah, that's. It's my house, the whole wall just have my paintings. So people really think, oh wow, it's like a gallery.
A whole gallery in your house.
Yeah. So that's all my painting. But of course today I just bring this out for this video.
That's beautiful. So how do you preserve the white areas? Do you use a masking fluid or do you?
Oh, I didn't use masking fluid. I just leave it. Yeah. But I think that some partial of it, I use the knife.
Okay.
I use the knife to scratch out. Yeah. So that's. Yeah, that's probably all the things I do. I just really enjoy the watercolor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, happy you are here.
Okay.
Any other questions?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's quite self-explanatory. Very beautiful portraits. Very nice atmospheric tone to them. I like the pouring. How do you get the texture of that thick?
This actually is how to say, you use one kind of color, but that is from Daniel Smith actually. That Luna Black.
Oh, so it's a very thick granulating.
Granulating, yeah. Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, I love those interesting things. I mean, kind of like magic, right?
Yeah, like those magic.
Magic,
paints.
yeah.
Do you want to show your Rockwell paints?
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
I know you're they sponsor you.
Yeah, maybe I bring this out to Rockwell. Yeah, recently I just picked the full set for this Rockwell. For beginner, if you don't have anything, I think I picked the original like 3-color set. So that will be 3 color. Like ultramarine, opal red, and primary yellow. So even with these 3 colors, you can painting some basic one, like I did flowers stuff. And the inside here, actually, you can use as a palette. So that's quite a cool design. That's for beginner one. But if you go to the next level, I think I choose the, like you want more. So I choose something, the other 3 color, which is this blue is really beautiful blue, 120, EM 120, called Palaba Diamond Blue. Okay. This blue, I really should find the, do you want to show you or just,
sure.
Then you just turn off first. I grab some water and the papers. The Midnight Purple. For this set, you already can do a lot of things like flowers. They are just beautiful flowers color. I give a little bit here, maybe diamond. Be a demo here.
Very rich.
Very rich. And then you just wait for a short while. They actually will have some separate thing. I think I should give a little bit even. I use the other brush, maybe better. Oh, even this brush, I have a whole set from the Golden Maple. They made this special brush for us. I want to see it. I want to give you some. Maybe I use a spray. Use a little bit of spray to show.
Oh, beautiful.
But you should wait a little bit of time to see. They will have a green, and they will have a blue, and all the color separate them. So right now you already can see some blue and some, this one not showing that much, I guess, just because it's still not, I didn't put enough color on it. If I put enough color, this, in here you can see that blue, right? I think I give a little bit more.
Beautiful.
Yeah, they're very, very beautiful. I just love it. Feel so grateful for they can make such beautiful color. Yeah. I typically love this color. Right now, I think just because they are so wet, doesn't show that much. Yeah, beautiful white. Let's see.
Yeah, you can see the
blue,
greens and the blues separating there.
Right. That starts coming. This starts coming.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is a typically good for painting flowers or something like you. Yeah. So green, see, blue, green. They're very beautiful. Yeah. So for your next level, you step this one, and I picked the third one. Oh, actually, I sold out the third one, the fourth one. But they are all beautiful, very beautiful color. Oh, do I have those? This number? Yeah, that's probably number 4's color. So it's lighter turquoise, royal purple, and the lapsy brown. Number 3 set, I think I picked for this is for doing some outdoor, like landscape. This one is add-on, like you can more richer your color. So it's all beautiful color, really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Great for water. Or,
yeah. So right now it's showing, right? When it's getting dry, it's showing more. Yeah. So they actually like for the BC, this area. This factory actually in Toronto.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I should go visit.
Right, I can introduce you to them. Yeah. So they like in the BC, they want me to be the rep.
Right. Rep.
Yeah, for the rep. Yeah, that's just. And the other is this golden maple set. This also our sponsor this time. So they made this special brushes for us. I think the whole set will be like one goat hair. This is a sable hair. It's actually a very expensive one. And we have the other one. I think it's this dagger or something. I usually use this one for doing what? Like doing, for example, this is the whole set they made for us. So it's going to be this 5 plus one that spray. I just used that little spray. Where is it? Oh, here. And plus this little spray. That's all including inside for 5 set. And plus one, what's that case? The case I give to you.
Brush case,
Maybe I bring one case in to show as well. Buy like this case. If you buy it from Amazon, already $25, you know, and this is just this sable one. If you buy single one, already $50, and this probably $20. Just this already over a lot, right? And plus we have 5 in total, plus this for free, and this for free.
Wow.
So it's a total just $80.
That's a great deal.
Very great deal. Yeah.
So where can people find these?
They can either just email me, or they can use my code to purchase it from their.
Is it online? Are there any
online,
stores? Any stores where they can be found?
Not yet, but OPAS might. I already talked to them. Still on the procedure. Yeah. So it's like whole set for the watercolor students. They already had enough. No need to buy anything, right? And if they really later painting very big size painting, maybe they could find one like this to go. Otherwise, this is really good. Especially I want to introduce this brush. Just because we modified it, you know. It's original just like this, because you can see this all wide. But we make it tipped. So this way, how good is they contain a lot of water. You can go like a brush this way, but you also can do this way, like in a detail a little bit. You don't have to keep changing your brushes when you're painting. So that's why we designed it for this one. So it's very nice. That's probably only their factory have this brush. Okay, that's probably this is a very good one. I think they can find this in golden maples that website, but they can use my code Coral Coral 10
Okay, I'll include it in the video.
through video, so they can get 10% off.
Great.
Yeah, yeah. But the online probably the purchase price will be 84 or 85 like this. Yeah, I sell here is 80.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I guess that's all. Okay,
Yeah,
all right. Thank you, Coral. We're here live in her studio, thanking her for all her work in the exhibition, Stories in Light, and this wonderful demo.
Yeah.
So check it out, Golden Maple and Rockwell are her favorites here.
Yeah, that's the Rockwell.
And code Coral10, you can get a discount.
Yeah.
So check it out, and thank you to Coral for letting us visit her studio, and see you next time.